Welcome to King J Talk Show with Sean Nguyen. The goal of this program is to help you become top 1% success in real estate. We did it, so we can show you how. I want to talk to you about the real estate investment opportunity number 4 in 2023. And that is fix up properties. You hear me right. Fixer uppers or fix up properties. The reason it is a good time to invest in fixer uppers are multiple. Let me share with you how many fix up or how many fixer uppers are in Arizona Regional MLS. So let's search for residential properties and active properties only. I eliminate the coming soon and I search for the fix up need repairs in the Arizona Regional MLS. So right now I am seeing there are 222 fix-up property in the Arizona Regional MLS and mostly located in the Maricopa County in the Phoenix metro area. There are four main reasons why I think it is a good time to invest in the fixer-uppers. Reason number 1, most iBuyers are leaving the market, so you don't have many competition. Reason number 2, a lot of buyers are fearful because they do not know when the real estate cycle is approaching the bottom or near the bottom. They don't know when is a good time to buy. And reason number 3, the market overall is still slow. And because of slow, the sellers are motivated to sell. The sellers are motivated to reduce the price. And the reason number 4 is cash. Most fix-up properties, they cannot be sold without repairs. If someone want to borrow the bank money to buy fix-up properties, then most likely the bank will require that properties to be fixed or repaired before the bank can fund the money. So with those 4 barriers or 4 opportunities, you can take the advantage of this time by investing in the fix-up properties. You can have enough time to negotiate a good deal. Time is on your side, and the seller is most likely cooperative to work with you. So you can negotiate a good deal for your investment. See you next time.